Welcome to Freque. If you found a track you liked and want to place it at a specific point in the film, you can drag it into the sync area in the middle and move it around. Dragging the edges will adjust the in and out point of the audio. You can slip the waveform to try out other sections at the same sync point, or drag the whole clip to listen to different sync points altogether. The sync tool allows you to easily line up a music edit to any given frame or timecode position. Re-editing a piece of music is easy. Just click on the pencil icon and start editing. Edits performed on existing ones that another team member has created appear as new edits, so you don't have to worry about changing somebody else's work. Highlighting pieces in the sync area makes them audible only locally. Toggling the working copy button makes that piece of audio active in a queue and will play it back in the main workspace.